Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here again, Chigirl Remedies. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna share with you guys how to reduce constipation, how to reduce that bloated tummy. If you are reducing weight and the tummy and the belly is still big and it's not going, that means you have constipation. So right now I'm gonna share with you guys a home remedy that will just bring it down. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's just dive into the video. In this recipe, what we need is our oranges. We're gonna make use of 2 oranges in this recipe. I'll just start by peeling off the back of the oranges.
Oranges remove protein as they are citrus fruits that are rich in water. If you want to run away from bluffing, constipation, you have to add orange to your diet. These are a water-rich fruit and you should add it to your daily food to prevent stomach bluffing. If you want to prevent not even to come at all, make sure you take your orange.
So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please guys, share this video, please. Thank you in advance because I know you do it. Thank you and God bless you. This is not something that you do and keep in the fridge. If you want to do it, if you have constipation, if you have bloated tummy, you just do it at once and drink it. It's not something that you do and put inside your fridge, okay? Just our advice is just to do it whenever you have it. Just go ahead and do it and drink it at once. Don't keep any in the fridge. I'll do the same to the second one. Add this straight to the plate. That is what I'll be using for this recipe. Ginger. The next thing we need for this is our ginger. Guys, you cannot go wrong with ginger. I use half of this. I'll just cut it into 2. So this is what I'm gonna use for this recipe. I'll just peel off the back.
Ginger is a powerful digestive aid that has been used to relieve gas, bloating and stomach pains for many years, and it stimulates the body's digestive enzymes and is an anti-inflammatory. If you just want to relieve, just take your ginger.
I'll just cut it. I'll add this straight to the plate. So the next thing we need is our apple. If you don't have apple, you can go ahead and use watermelon. If you have watermelon, if you don't have watermelon, you can go ahead and use your papaya. So anyone you have can still serve for you. In this recipe, I'm using apple for it. So I'm gonna cut the apple.
You can go ahead and use watermelon. Preferably watermelon is very okay for this constipation. You just melt everything. But if you don't have it, you can still use the apple as I'm using apple. If you have papaya, as I said before, you can go ahead and use your papaya. All is good, okay? But right now I'm using apple because I really want to use apple.
And I add straight to the plate. Guys, before I start cutting it, I washed it so it's clean. So if you are wondering whether I washed the apple, I washed it thoroughly clean. I'll just add it straight to the plate and I'm gonna set it aside. So I'm gonna add the orange, followed by ginger, then I'll add the apple. Add half cup of water because apple contains water as well as orange too. So I'll blend.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Just keep on watching. I'm going to show you guys how to take it for more results.
So I'll pour it straight to the cup. Okay, this is what you need to just get rid of that constipated, bloated, big belly. If you want to just get rid of that bloated belly and keep in shape, this is what you need. It will just flush out waste product. All those things that cause bloated in your tummy, it will just flush it out and still keep you in shape. This thing works so well. If you want to drink it, just make sure you drink it in the morning. Start with it. Let it be what you will start with your morning. Just drink it in the morning, and you see it's going to just melt down every bloated tummy, and it just relieve you from that. When somebody is bloated, it will be having pains and discomfort. So you will not feel relief. Just want to relieve that bloated tummy, that constipation. Go ahead and drink this. Here comes the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys love it. Hope you guys enjoy.